Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create new categories in QuickBooks. Now, in your account, once you're logged in, you want to click on the settings button or cogwheel icon on the upper right corner of your screen, like so. This pop-up will appear. Now you want to click on chart of accounts under your company, right? So click chart of accounts and you're going to be brought to all of the charts that you have on your account. Now, if you want to create a new category, these are already categorized, right? Account types are categories. If you want to create a new account, just click on new account, like so. This slide will appear. Enter the, test account, for example, right? And then choose the account type, right? So maybe you want owner's equity. And then under owner's equity, you want to have a detail type, which is more, detailed facet or data for your account types. For example, opening balance equity. There you go. If you want to make this into a sub account, you can do so if you want. Opening balance, enter the opening balance as of and enter the date. Make sure the correct date is placed here. And then if you have a description, do so. And then just click save. After that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.